I have had.
After we were done meeting up with Rick and Linda from Gone Again, we went to Cathedral Gorge State Park in Nevada, and it was gorgeous. And I got to explore it a little bit, the slot canyons, which were gorgeous.
Oh my God, this is getting narrow. This is so cool though. I'm gonna stop here. Awesome. Wow.
After we explored a little bit, we hit the road because we were heading towards Zion National Park, and we were looking for dispersed camping and missed 2 spots that were closed, and this is what we found.
In the middle of nowhere, we're at 10,200 feet, somewhere off of Route 14.
This is what happens when you camp at 10,000 feet in September.
I admit it was kind of scary camping here with the snow and the thunder and the lightning, camping in a tin can on top of a mountain. But we woke up to a beautiful morning. Hopefully we won't have any problem getting out of here. Driving across this country was a wonderful experience. And seeing out west, if you're from the East Coast and have never been out west, I highly recommend doing it. Just the vastness of the land out there, it's breathtaking. It really is.